In this tutorial, I will explain the toolbar in a generative shape design. So let's see. This is the toolbar in a generative shape design, basically used in a CATIA. CATIA V5 is a parametric shape surface modeling. This is the tutorial one. Uh, I will explain the one by one. So listen carefully. When we start in CATIA, first go to start, then shape, then generative shape design. Then you got this, all these are the toolbar. Is basically used in a surface. This is the very important in a theory class in a CATIA. The point of view, you know that the very well theory, then you will explain the all the models in a very well. So first, how to define the toolbar in an interview. This is the very important. So what is wireframe? Wireframe simply say that the create the 3D curve, line, point and plane. It's called wireframe. What is surface? Surface create, you know that the basically create a surface operation. In the operation toolbar, there are the various inside the tools: joint surface, split, trim, and the surface. Change the 3D position of a surface. Fillets. Replication. Replication inside the number of pattern. How to create a number of pattern? Circular pattern, linear pattern. Okay, and then analysis. This is the very important tools in this: connection analysis, draft analysis, and the curvature analysis. And then the last, surface base. Surface base which are on the part design workbench, create the solid from surface, modify the solid by a surface. And next, this is the defined in this. First, I am focusing on point. What is point? This way you will create the CATIA in a different manner. You will define the point. When you're creating a point, option will be inside point types. So you need to very well what is the meaning of a point in a different manner. Point type. Point by the coordinates. You will define this way. Create a point by defining its coordinate in a 3D. Point on a curve. Create a point on a curve at a distance from a reference point. Okay. Point on a plane. Create a point on a plane at a distance from a reference point. Point on a surface. Create a point on a surface at a specific distance at a direction from a reference point. Point on a circle, sphere, center. Okay, so center at a point and a center of a circles or sphere. Okay, next, point tangent on a curve. Create a curve tangent point for a specific direction. Okay, point between 2 points. Create a point between two existing points using the ratio value होता. Okay, then point speed space on a curve. Create a several points equally spaced on a curve. So this is the point option. When you on the point option, there are the different option are visible. So how to this tutorial you will help the when you designing the any with the help of a point any geometry. So this tutorial will help. So different manner you will see this tutorial. Okay, this is the surface toolbar. How to get a surface toolbar? First click on a start, shape, and then go to generative shape design. Okay, and then part, then okay. So otherwise you go to directly here, insert, and then surface, and then all the tools are here. Okay, so this is the operation toolbar, wireframe, surface, volume. I am explaining only one point. This is the point. Click here and see the option. This is the point time. And then when you click it, coordinate on a curve, on a plane, on a surface, circle, sphere, ellipse, tangent on a curve, between. So you know it at the very well explaining this tutorial. Okay, and close this. This is the surface toolbar. This is the volume. All the toolbar I will explain one by one. Go slowly, but be frequently. So this is the mouse with the help of a surface. Okay, so I will explain this way. This is the all the body. Okay, so how to apply this material in this class I will explain little bit. Okay, so click here, and then this is the apply material. Last tutorial I will not show you how to apply. So click here and then select, if you plastic, fabric, you know, then stone, fabric. Okay, select anyone, then apply material, then okay, this way. But apply material again here, and then click the other. Okay, apply material, and then okay. This is the nice. Okay, that way you will apply any material. So this is the all the toolbar I will explain one by one. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my video for more. Next tutorial I will explain on the related to line. Okay, and then one tutorial I will also explaining related to point. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.